minute. As far as the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi is concerned and his party, in a bid to draw the attention of Modi government towards price rise, food inflation, the Congress in Gorakhpur, it has launched a campaign where it is selling onions for 5 rupees per kg. The subsidized onion has been given a name called Rahul Gandhi Pyaz, with posters marketing the onion under the tagline, "Aapka dhyan kidhar hai? Rahul Gandhi Pyaz idhar hai." Rahul Pyaz 5 rupees a kilo, Modi Pyaz 40 rupees a kilo. Why is that? Is what the Congress is asking. The Congress workers Saturday set up stalls at the Golghar market, claimed to have sold 500 kg of it to nearly 100 people. Yes, these are 100 poor people, which the Congress would like to highlight. But the posturing there coming at a time when 16 farmers in the Congress-ruled Karnataka have committed suicide. There's the tragic irony in this. We should remember here that Rahul Gandhi, who's been travelling across the country to meet farmers only to checkmate the BJP, he's never had the time to meet farmers in his own southern rural states there who've been committing suicide because of debt, because of poverty. The Congress Vice President has also met with a farmer in Punjab, but that also his critics viewing it as a photo opportunity, as the same farmer committed suicide when his urgent needs were not addressed. Our correspondent Vijay Lakshmi with further inputs. Vijay Lakshmi, this clearly is a very innovative way there to campaign, in a sense, in the name of their own leader.
Well, of course, it's an innovative idea, Shahar, that is coming in by Congress leaders in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where they're selling Rahul onions, basically, and they're saying that they are, they are basically reminding the government that how difficult it has become to the people of this country. But of course, the biggest criticism that has come in for Rahul Gandhi so far, that he's not gone to state of Karnataka, he's not meeting the leaders, he's not meeting the farmers who are committing suicide in the state that are ruled by Congress itself. So, well, that's the biggest criticism. But a few days ago, just 2 days ago, Digvijay Singh has tweeted that Rahul Gandhi soon will be going to Karnataka as well. And
all right, but in this particular case, Vijay Lakshmi, where onions are being sold in the name of Rahul Gandhi for just 5 rupees a kilo, given that this is not the standard price that onions are being sold across the country, so technically speaking, who's incurring the losses of the sale of these onions at just 5 rupees a kilo?
Well, of course, what this might be the cost might be incurred by the state Congress there in the state itself. So, well, that's what we understand. But of course, it's an innovative idea. But you just can't go ahead with this idea across the country.
That's right. Something that, of course, cannot be implemented across the country, but good enough to drive home a point as far as the BJP is concerned, because the Congress there stating at least 100 people, 100 poor people there have already bought these onions that they're selling there in Gorakhpur Golmark market there for just 5 rupees a kilo. These, of course, are the shots that we're getting you on the left of your screens, the poster, the innovative sloganeering there being done by the Congress party workers, stating that this is what you'll get if you support the Congress. 5 rupees a kilo is the Rahul Pyaz, is what the Congress there is stating, in direct contrast to what the onions being sold across the country there for 40 rupees a kilo.